Good evening, Professor. So very firstly, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for providing us with such brilliant articles. Frankly speaking, I don't think I would have read them if you would not have provided it to us. It was really informative. It helped me to clear a lot of questions that I used to have regarding the management side. So without further any ado, what I'll do is I'll go through each of the articles and briefly tell you what I really liked about them. So the very first article is managing your boss. So like the very question I had when I read this article was, do we really manage our boss? And frankly, I was surprised that by making a few changes, managing your boss, to have an honest communication with your boss, how much it can change, and it can bring success to not only to yourself, not only to your boss, and also to the organization. So I understood how these little things matter so much. So the next article was the manager's job myths. So the very first thing that really attracted me to this article was when it was said, today's gossip is tomorrow's information. That was really something I never thought of, and this article showed that why that is so important. Like certain communication, a manager's job, it's a misconception that it is all about structure, organization. I understood that it is more about it's like interpersonal relation you have with your clients, with your subordinates, with your employees, everything. So I think how much it matters when you have honest communication, collect little information with everyone, then only you can take a radical, a smart, a proper decision. So I think this was again a fantastic article. Then the third article was what leaders really do. So again this was again a very striking piece, because it explained like what is the difference between leader and a manager, and with this fast technological changes, I understood like you need more and more leaders. Of course managers are equally required. In fact, there was a part in this article, it's told it's not interchangeable. It's not that if you have a good leader you'll change it with a manager. Both are interchangeable, both are not interchangeable. So therefore it explained what is the key difference between a leader and a manager, like how leader can align people and move ahead, whereas manager can take a decision, can organize, and then the leader can take it forward. How much a leader's credibility is important, so that people listen to them. So this was, I think, again a brilliant article for a person. For like, as personally, if you ask me, I really believe in a very strong leader. It gave me a very nice vision. If in future I want to take a leadership role, how should I be a leader? So thank you so much for providing this article. Then the last one is why manager still matters. So manager still matters is like with this fast technological changes, like do we really just do a desk job, or keep up with the fast changes every day? How training and everything is important to manage your workforce. So it is very important that you keep up with the pace. I remember in the first lecture with our marketing professor, he told that you have to constantly change yourself, like just the way we took this MBA course, we are upgrading ourselves. So that article talks about that. So again, I mean, it was again a brilliant piece. So I would just end by saying that thank you so much for including this in our curriculum, and I am genuinely obliged for including these in our article. And frankly, I have been trying to apply these in my day-to-day management jobs. So thank you so much. That's all from my side.